The Silli network in New Silli has issued an emergency action warning for South Central New Silli County from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. At 8 a.m., a 12 slots has extended from the Silli network raid train and game changer raid train, moving 1 hours. Expected hazards include 1 hours and 12 slots. This is a raid-activated threat. The following impacts are expected. Raid train could be raided to the channel as stream ended and suddenly stream starts. Locations impacted include New Silli and East New Silli.